Hello aspirants, you're into the UPSC radio presented by UPSC Launch. In this episode, we are going to discuss about health insurance for India's missing middle. Recently, Niti Aayog has released a comprehensive report titled Health Insurance for India's Missing Middle, and the report brings out the gaps in the health insurance coverage across the Indian population and offers solutions to address the situation. The key points of the report, let's list them out. First one is importance of health insurance. Here, the health insurance is a mechanism of pooling the high level of OPE, that is out of pocket expenditure, in India to provide greater financial protection against health shocks. Prepayment through health insurance emerges as an important tool for risking pooling and safeguarding against catastrophic and often impoverishing expenditure from health shocks. Moreover, prepaid pooled funds can also improve the efficiency of healthcare provision. The second key point is health insurance, that is a need and landscape. In that, achieving universal health coverage that is important because the expansion of health insurance coverage is a vital step and a pathway in India's effort to achieve this universal health coverage, that is UHC. Low government expenditure on health has constrained the capacity and quality of the healthcare services in the public sector, and it diverts the majority of individuals, about 2/3, to seek treatment in a costlier private sector, and also the high out-of-pocket expenditure. India's health sector is characterized by low government expenditure on health, high out-of-pocket expenditure, the UPE, and low financial protection for adverse health events. The private sector is characterized by high UPE leading to low financial protection. And let's talk about the missing middle. According to the report, at least 30% of the population, or 40 crore individuals, are devoid of any financial protection for health. The Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, so ABPMJ, this is a scheme, and various state government extension schemes provide comprehensive hospitalization cover to the bottom 50% of the population, and around the 20% of the population, that is 25 crore individuals, are covered through social health insurance and private voluntary health insurance. So here you can see still there is a gap for 30% of the Indian population. And you have to understand the existing health insurance but not suitable for the missing middle. In the absence of low cost health insurance product, the missing middle remains uncovered despite the ability to pay nominal premiums. Affordable contributory products such as Employee State Insurance Corporation and government subsidized insurance including PMJ are closed products. They are not available to the general population due to the risk of adverse selection. And also there are some recommendations given by this report for the insurance models. The report had recommended 3 models for increasing the health insurance coverage in the country. The first one, creation of a large and diversified risk pool. That is, the success of any private voluntary contributory health insurance product requires creation of a large and diversified risk pool. For this to happen, the government should build consumer awareness of health insurance through information, education, communication campaigns. And the second point under recommendations is developing a modified standardized health insurance product. That is, the cost of health insurance, that is the premium, needs to come down in line with the affordability of the missing middle. For example, Arogya Sanjeevani can be made affordable. And Arogya Sanjeevani is a standardized health insurance product launched by the Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India, that is IRDAI, in April 2020. The third recommendation is government subsidized health insurance. This model can be utilized for segments of the missing middle which remains uncovered due to the limited ability to pay for the voluntary contributory models outlined above. In the medium term, once the supply side and utilization of PMJ is strengthened, their infrastructure can be leveraged to allow voluntary contributions to the missing middle. Government can provide public data and infrastructure as a public good to reduce operational and distribution costs of insurers. So from this report you can understand that there should be an integrated approach, that is a combination of the 3 models phased at different times can ensure coverage for the missing middle population. And also there should be an outreach strategy, that is government databases such as National Food Security Act, Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, or the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana for agricultural households can be shared with private insurers after taking consent from these households. This will increase the outreach of insurance products with the needy section of the population. This is all about the report of health insurance for India's missing middle. I hope you do like this episode. If you do like this episode, please share it to friends and also share them about UPSC launch. We are coming with a new website and also where you can access many courses from all across the teachers of ours in that particular platform, and our app is going to be launched soon for the use of students and for the benefits of students. UPSC Launch, here is the place where it makes happy learning a possibility. This is MM signing off. We'll meet you in the next episode.